question number 25. We've underlined important information, circled numbers, and bracketed the question. In this case, there are two questions they're asking. If you'd like to pause the video and begin trying to solve this on your own, now would be a great time with this information. Okay, we have two rules that are going on, two big ideas. Number two, the density formula, which is also a weight formula, and number 24, the volume of a cube. If you know these two big ideas, now would be a good time to put them in and solve this problem by pausing the video. Okay, the two rules. So density, the weight formula is density times volume. And you can always manipulate that formula. If I want to get D by itself, I can just divide by V on both sides, making density weight divided by volume. We know the volume formula of a cube is length times width times height, which is important. So let's begin to solve this. They told us that we're dealing with a cube, which means all sides and edges have the same length. In this case, that length is 6. So volume would be 6 times 6 times 6, which would give us a volume of 216 centimeters cubed. Once you have that, they told us that the weight for this problem is 138 grams. They told us that the weight was 137.8 grams, so 137.8 divided by 216 would give us a density of approximately 0.638. We did that because they wanted us to round to the nearest tenth, nearest thousandth, I'm sorry. So, the appropriate wood, they said state which type of wood is made by this density, and that would have to be ash. Because it says state, you must write ash. Okay, and they also asked to determine the density, which we did.